Ndakugeithia mwiroreri wakwa o haria hothe uri ni njitagwo Wambui wa Wanjihia. Kiugo kia Ngai gitwiraga ni kuri ihinda, that there is time for everything. Kuri ihinda ria guciarwo, kuri ihinda ria gukua, kuri ihinda ria gukena, kuri ihinda ria kurira. Na maundu macio ni maundu tutangihota gwithema, ni maundu maria matukoraga twi muhuro wa riua na makoraga mundu wothe. Thiini wa family itu ni turi na macakaya ni tondu kiumia kihituku ni twaluzire mwana wa my sister, na muthenya uria hurukire my dad athire thibitari akiadmitwo the following day. Akoretwo ari murwaru na rira twamutwarire KU referral twari na mwihoko munene ati dadi ni ekuma agitwaraga na acokerera muturire wake wa kawaida. No Ngai ni ari na mubango ungi. My dad rira admitirwo on Tuesday last week, are supposed to go to the theater the following day, that is on Wednesday. Na hindi ria mathire theater, actually twathi kumwona mathaa ma afternoon, twakorirwo agitwarwo theater, and so we were hopeful ati tugicoka thaa 10 tugukora athire theater ari na growth, akarutwo growth iyo thiini wa nda yake. Tondu matwirite after that operation is just one more day and then he will be discharged. We were very hopeful, though he was weak tondu ndahotaga kuria na kunywa kwari thina. And so riria twacokire, the story was different. Tondu ni twerirwo kuringana na medical time maigire thakame yake ni it is thin, koguo athecwo na koni cindano thakame ndiratiga kuma na ni aluzite thakame mbere yo. And so tukiurio tuheane thakame, which we did, na agikirwo, but unfortunately organs ciake ikiambia go fail, starting with the liver. Niki muthenya ungi magitwira kidney ciake ni ira fail na ni hotire gwikwo dialysis maita meri. Mahori make makiambia go fail na kihorirwo thimu na ngirwo ni araremwo ni kuhihia. It was a very difficult time for me, given that ndingehotire guthie kwira my sisters. My sister was mourning, my mom was mourning her grandson. He was the first grandson, and so most of the things on iria dagitari ajiraga, I would keep it to myself, hoping that all will be well. Tondu na ndamera ngumongerera ruo, and maybe matingihotire go contain uria ni ingihota. It was a difficult time for me. Na my dad twathire na my brother-in-law na we authorized nigetha agiteithiririo kuhihia kuhitukira machine, tondu ndungikiuga mundu wanyu ndagagikirwo how, you blame yourself for not trying to assist. And so it was a very difficult time for me, seeing my dad being wheeled to that room, and he did not make it. I was called the following day on Monday in the morning. Nagiro, your dad has got a cardiac arrest. Cardiac arrest and heart attack, and he did not make it. They tried all they could resuscitate, but I was making a prayer to God that I wouldn't like to see my dad suffering. Ati urio thiaga ugakora ena ruo ndungihota kumuteithia, ndungimuiguira ruo ru. And for that 1 week that my dad actually was in the ICU for about 5 days, and you know ICU gitanda kia ICU gitirugamagirirwo ni NHIF, and so we have to foot that bill. Na rira rakihurukire turakiambire kuhurukia mwana wa my sister on Tuesday, turakiambiriria mifango ya my dad. He was the first grandson and he passed out at only 26. My dad was blessed, he was 73. Ni araturerete na wendo munene muno makiria. Actually he was so devoted. Ithu tutuye kuigatwo shukuru. We've never been chased away for school fees. That was the man who brought us up, and he was a good man. my dad ndendete uhoro wa tribute and all that, so I don't want to talk too much about him. He was a quiet man. He didn't like manegene. Ona ciana citu ciathiĩ mũciĩ nĩ ciatwĩraga guka anasemanga TV tuna watch kutoka saa 7. He just loved his peace, and we would like to rest him peacefully ũrĩa araikaraga. So we have a bill of around 400,000, okay, 480 something, so around 500,000, and we have the funeral expenses iria twabanga muthenya wa ira mucemanio-inĩ irokire around 450, and so the whole bill is around 950. Na ndokaha nigetha ndĩmũhoe ũteithio nigetha tũhote kũhurukia my dad in a decent way. Twananyitanĩra na andũ aingĩ. Those people who know me from YouTube know that I've been doing this for quite some time. Na I'm here to appeal mũtũteithĩrĩrie as a family nigetha tũhote kũhurukia daddy. We are thinking of Wednesday or on Thursday kũringana na ũrĩa kanitha ũgũtũhe mũthenya, and we are hopeful mũthenya ũcio ũngĩgakinya nĩ tũgũkorwo twahota kũrĩha bill ĩyo na tũhote gwĩka maũndũ marĩa mabataranagia hĩndĩ ĩrĩa kũrĩ na macakaya. And so I am here to appeal to you as on behalf of my family, the Wanjihias, nigetha tũhote gũkorwo tũkĩrĩkĩrĩria wĩra ũcio na mũthiĩ na mbere gũtũhoera thayũ. Ngai nĩ atũhete thayũ, and it is a journey mourning two people, a young one